I step into a world alight with animated confetti and electrifying energy, inviting you to join me on a wondrous journey at Gigglefest Studios, where playful innovation meets the exciting realm of kids' trends for 2025. As the vibrant bursts of color mirror the endless possibilities before us, I welcome you with warmth and enthusiasm to explore a dynamic landscape of creativity. In this space, every trend is a testament to ingenuity and imagination, designed not only to entertain, but also to inspire educators, tech professionals, and creative minds alike. Today, I am your soul guide, unfolding a story that weaves together 7 transformative trends, bonus ideas for parents and creators, and a call to action that resonates with the spirit of progress and play. With an energetic nudge to hit the like button and share your thoughts, our adventure into a world of evolving toys, interactive companions, and sensory delights begins. In the first chapter of our journey, I introduce you to the transformative realm of hybrid and grow with me toys. Picture a shelf filled with seemingly ordinary toys that subtly transform over time, a best friend that evolves as a child grows and learns. At the heart of this innovation is Ms. Rachel's revolutionary Grow With Me playset, designed with the foresight of a caring artist and the precision of a master engineer. In this narrative, as tiny hands caress the brightly colored parts of the toy, the playset expands and reconfigures itself with every developmental milestone. What starts as a simple toy soon morphs into a tool for discovery, a companion that adapts to new challenges, inviting laughter and spark-filled eyes as surprise features reveal themselves every few months. This magical transformation captures both the hearts of parents who appreciate longevity and sustained engagement, and the boundless curiosity of children who relish each new discovery. As I reflect on this first trend, I invite you to journey with me in a moment of creative introspection. Imagine for a second the endless possibilities if you could design your own magical toy, one that evolves with you at every step. A toy that starts with simple building blocks in your early years and transforms into a complex puzzle as your mind grows. I paint a picture where ideas flow freely, like the confetti in our celebration, and I encourage you, my cherished audience, to leave your imaginative ideas in the comments. Your contributions might inspire a future innovation, and in this shared space of creativity, every idea is a building block for tomorrow's successes. With that spark of creativity lighting our way, we move to the second transformative trend: AI and emotional tech companions. In a world where technology often feels distant and clinical, these companions bridge the gap between innovation and emotion. I envision children engaging with a delightful, expressive Miko mini robot, a futuristic friend that learns to tell jokes, narrate bedtime stories, and even sense the subtle tides of a child's mood. The scene unfolds with children sharing moments of quiet wonder as they interact with this gentle, smiling companion whose digital eyes reflect genuine care. In this beautifully engineered intersection of technology and empathy, these AI companions become more than just circuits and code. They become friends who share laughter, spark learning, and foster connections that transcend the screen. As I guide you through this narrative, I see the power of technology reimagined not as a tool of isolation, but as an extension of our innate desire for connection and joy. Next, our narrative takes us into the inventive universe of DIY, maker, and STEAM kits, an ode to the spirit of young inventors everywhere. Here, families gather around tables illuminated by the glow of neon circuits and vibrant ideas, constructing projects that blur the line between play and discovery. I describe in rich detail the scene of a family building a cyborg hand, where each piece clicked into place is a small victory, a step towards a larger dream of innovation. The energy is palpable. A mix of excitement and concentration fills the air as children transform doodles into interactive video games through pioneering kits like Pixicade. In this vibrant tableau, STEAM learning transcends traditional confines, morphing into an adventure where science, technology, engineering, art, and math converge in a playful symphony, laying the foundation for a future defined by curiosity and creative problem-solving. Transitioning gracefully to the world of retro revival, I weave a narrative that bridges the cherished past with the present moment. Here, the familiar warmth of vintage toys reclaims its place on the modern stage. I vividly depict classic wooden blocks that transform into neon-inspired masterpieces and analog music boxes that now resonate with a contemporary twist. There is an undeniable charm in seeing nostalgia reinterpreted through the lens of modern design. Parents find joy in revisiting the simplicity of their own childhoods, while children step into a realm of imaginative play where the old becomes new, and tradition is honored with a dash of modern artistry. This revival is more than cosmetic. It is a deliberate nod to the enduring values of handcrafted quality and timeless creativity, offering a perfect blend of heritage and innovation that appeals to every generation. Our journey continues with the exploration of mega franchises and character collaborations, a trend that transforms fandom into a tangible expression of identity and creativity. I unfurl a montage in the mind's eye where beloved movie and game characters leap off the screen and onto limited edition Lego sets and collectible figurines. The narrative is punctuated by the passion of fans who celebrate each character's uniqueness through meticulously designed toys that capture every nuance of their digital personas. In this realm, every licensed toy is not just an object of play, it is a celebration of stories, a bridge linking the magic of cinema and the engagement of interactive media. The result is a vibrant tapestry where blockbuster brilliance meets the tactile joy of play, inviting enthusiasts to merge their reverence for beloved characters with their own personal style and creativity. Stepping softly into the sixth trend, I immerse you in the serene world of sensory and mindful play. Here, the pace slows and the focus shifts to the therapeutic elegance of tactile experiences. I describe a scene where kinetic sand flows in mesmerizing slow-motion cascades, its every grain a ritual of calm and concentration. The gentle interplay of soothing colors, soft textures, and mindful design evokes a sense of tranquility. That balances the energetic pace of modern life. In this narrative, sensory play becomes a meditative journey, a space where the stresses of the day melt away into streams of focused creativity and mindful relaxation. Parents and children alike discover that amidst the high-octane excitement of technological advances, there remains a timeless need for moments of quiet reflection and sensory delight. As our story nears its final chapter, I lead you into the bold, maximalist universe of fashion and accessories, where the vibrant spirit of youth is celebrated with an explosion of color and creativity. In this lively parade of style, minimalism bows gracefully to the dynamic interplay of clashing prints, neon hues, and futuristic retro aesthetics that define the Y3K movement. I narrate scenes where children become walking canvases of expressive design, each outfit a statement of individuality and limitless creativity. The energy is unmistakable. Back-to-school days transform into runway events where every accessory is a spark of personality, and every neon sneaker tells a tale of audacious style. This bold maximalism reaffirms that in the world of kids' trends, self-expression is paramount, and creativity is the heartbeat that drives future innovations in fashion and personal adornment. As the confetti swirls once again to signal a moment of pause and reflection, I invite you to consider which of these enriching trends resonates most deeply with you. Amid the vibrant celebrations of modern play, I encourage an open dialogue and shared curiosity. Each comment, each idea, a stepping stone towards a more imaginative future. In this space of collective creativity, every experience becomes a lesson, and every trend a call to explore new frontiers of innovation. In a dedicated bonus segment crafted with care for both parents and creators, I paint the picture of warm gatherings at a DIY station, a space where laughter echoes alongside the clatter of creative tools. I suggest delightful combinations to spark even more ingenuity. Imagine merging a clever Grow With Me toy with an engaging DIY science kit that challenges the mind, or setting up a sensory play corner aglow with calming lights to soothe and inspire. Picture a retro night where familiar board games morph into interactive adventures with modern tech twists. A perfect blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. These bonus ideas are not mere suggestions. They are invitations to transform everyday living into a canvas for boundless creativity, forging deeper connections between generations. and nurturing a culture where innovation grows hand in hand with tradition. As I draw our narrative journey to a close, vivid images of a bright like, subscribe, share animation come to life on screen, each burst of light echoing the boundless energy of creativity and passion. I remind you, dear audience, that you are the true trendsetters, a community of forward thinkers whose willingness to embrace change is the catalyst for tomorrow's innovations. In the vibrant crossroads of play, learning, and modern design, every idea matters. Every moment of wonder is a building block for a brighter future. I close by reiterating a message that has been the pulse of our journey today. Play is the most powerful medium for learning and growth at any age. Whether you are an educator designing tomorrow's lessons, a parent nurturing inquisitive minds, or a creative professional charting the next trend, remember that innovation begins with a single spark of imagination, and every playful moment is a testament to the potential that lies within. In this shared space at Gigglefest Studios, we celebrate the boundless creativity of children and the visionary spirit of those who foster it. This adventure, painted with the hues of nostalgia, innovation, and boundless possibility, reminds us that the future is not just built on technology or trends. It is built on the endless wonder of play and the magic that happens when creativity meets caring. As I leave you with this story, let the confetti of ideas continue to fall around you, sparking conversations, collaborations, and dreams anew. May your journey be filled with as much joy, discovery, and colorful surprise as the enchanting world we explored today at Gigglefest Studios. Every step we take in the realm of innovative play is a tribute to the timeless dance between tradition and modernity, a celebration of imagination that spans generations. With every evolving toy, every interactive companion, every burst of neon fashion, we witness the merging of creativity with technology and heritage with the future. In the echoes of laughter and the gentle hum of innovation, there lies a profound reminder. The magic of childhood is everlasting, and it is within every creative spark that the foundation of a brighter, more playful future is laid. I invite you to join me, not just in the applause of this journey, but in the unfolding chapters yet to be written. Think of this moment as the opening page of a grand story, a story where each like, each share, and each thoughtful comment contributes to a tapestry of innovation, where every thread is a promise of a world that continually reinvents itself through creativity, play, and shared wonder. May this narrative inspire you to look beyond the ordinary and embrace a future where learning and delight go hand in hand, where every challenge is met with curiosity and every innovation is celebrated as a triumph of the human spirit. In the spirit of this endless journey, I offer a final reflection that carries the heartbeat of Gigglefest Studios. Let us all be both creators and dreamers, champions of an era where playful exploration paves the way for monumental transformations. Whether your playground is a classroom, a boardroom, or a living room filled with the echoes of laughter, know that each idea ignites a spark that can illuminate the world. And as the confetti settles on this day of creative celebration, remember that every act of imagination, every shared moment of delight contributes to a narrative that is as timeless as it is groundbreaking. Every imaginative leap we take, every spark that flies from the fingertips of a child or the mind of a visionary, enriches the tapestry of our collective experience. In this ever-evolving symphony of trends, where the past meets the future, where gentle sensory moments coexist with bold maximalist statements, the story of innovation continues to unfold. I stand before you in this narrative not only as a guide through these fantastical realms, but as a fellow believer in the transformative power of play. Together, we craft a future where creativity is the universal language, binding generations with threads of joy, curiosity, and unstoppable possibility. As our journey comes to this thoughtful pause, I leave you with an invitation to carry forward the spirit of exploration, to nurture the wonder found in every evolving toy, every smart companion, and every burst of colorful style. Let the vibrant energy of these trends inspire you to weave your own story, creating ripples of change that echo far beyond the confines of today. May your path be lit by the same playful brilliance that has guided our steps at Gigglefest Studios, and may you always find joy in the beautiful dance of learning, growing, and imagining a future where every day is a celebration of innovation and delight.